meters, slide right.
This is my first ever stay on a golf course. Just sharing a room,
Shot from back there.
maybe sharing a bed.
Oh, I'm minding cuddle tonight. Oh, look at this. It's cozy, it's romantic. Shotgun putting the beds together and suddenly.
It's not too bad, pretty nice. And this is our view. Yeah, shot this. Pretty good. Another par to start.
Oh, shit bounce.
Should be okay. Oh man. No.
She's on.
Oh, that was a bad swing. Bad.
And I smoked it.
Yeah. 5 each.
I hate these type of games. Nice, man. That's all right.
That's going to work perfectly, I think. Pretty good, Vess.
Yep.
Get up. Way short. Should be okay pace. Oh, just rimmed. Lucky. Left, but not as bad as me. You'll have a shot. Maybe.
Pull that.
Ew. You're not bad, Vess.
We try here.
Don't know.
Nice strike.
It's left. It should be on. 5.
Spanky into the bunker.
I had the wrong club. I'll pick up this.
Okay.
Yeah, good for. So shit. That's good. It's coming around. Yeah, pretty good.
Yep. Nice and low. Shot.
Oh no,
No, there's a bone thug, no harmony there. Absolutely no harmony over the back. First of the month. Short.
Bounce out.
Oh, that's really good.
Come in a bit. Yeah, good 5 this. There. Fucking hell. Easy. Oh my god. Are you fucking serious?
Fine up there. Yeah, cut the ground. Right at it.
Nah, I might come around.
Yes, come on. Oh,
Oh shit, it's slipped. Oh, damn it.
please don't kill me. Spanky, that's gonna be good, Spanky.
Oh fuck, these greens are slow. Oh no, I couldn't. That's good, Bess.
Sure.
Good ball. Long turn, nice draw.
Thank you.
Oh, good bounce though.
Pushy.
Oh, real pushy bunker.
Nothing else you can do. Had to go sideways.
Bit of putter.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Pretty good. I'll get up.
Fuck, these greens are... Fuck these... It's a bit of the S word.
It should be good. We'll be on.
Good weight, man. I just can't get it right here, man.
Give me a read. Lucky. That's good.
For it.
Oh, a bit funky. Get around it.
Oh, jump.
Same.
Oh no. Thank you. Straight in. Oh, no.
Oh, that might work, Vess.
A little bit left. I think it
I
bounced
think
right
you're
a
good.
bit. A little bit tuggy. Unlucky. It just bounces off that hard sand, eh? That's pretty good. That's in.
Ah, you might be short. I'm gonna be short.
Yep, short of it.
Shot.
Nah.
So get a good bounce. Short.
Yeah, 149. Oh.
That was a poor shot.
Mm.
Get up. Yeah, perfectly judged, Vess.
Thanks. That's nice. Yep. Derek can relax now.
Spanky ears.
He'll be on camera. Let's hope so.
Shit.
Save the 5. Yes. That's cleared.
Oh, that was dodgy. All this. Just pulled it. Should be short enough. Yeah, maybe. So short.
Oh yes, that's perfect. No, it's not. I lied to you. Dara is displeased.
I don't even know what to do here.
Just bounces off that hard sand.
Great shot, Vess.
Thanks.
It's going to be right next to it.
That caught the slope perfectly. Because that was nailing it. What a putt, what a save.
Yep, up and down. Well done.
Thanks.
Well done. That should work out pretty well.
Try to hit that so hard. Don't. Right idea, just not enough.
I don't want to laugh. That's on. Get in. It's going to be fine. It's going to. Oh.
It's so thin. What a shot.
Oh, it's going to razz off. Turn in. Oh, went the other way.
Deceiving how it's rolling.
Yeah.
Let's turn. 5 and a 4.
Unlucky. One shot back.
Yeah.
Coming for you, Vess.
Oh yes. Oh.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay.
I thought it was. It's safe. Is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's safe.
Very punchy.
We have a good shot in from there. Clipped it nicely. Lucky Vess.
4 bunkers, yay.
So hard. Putting. Oh!
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, ball. Should be okay.
Tucked it a bit left.
It's not pretty well. Yeah, shot Vess.
I'm pretty stoked with that.
Pretty good. Oh, unlucky.
Oh,
Fuck, yeah, it's way short.
no one wins the par
Lucky.
3 money. That's so nice.
You got it?
Yeah. Not pretty.
Oh, that one. How's it going to work? Yeah.
Naughty.
Very naughty.
Been a tough day. It's been a tough day for you, my friend. 'Cause I would never want to play Curl Lewis again. We come a long way from Keysborough, New Zealand. I would never want to play Curl Lewis again. Oh!
What song this? Stay up. Stay up. Safe.
Oh, that's gonna go in. Oh, lipped out.
Turn in. Yep.
Save the 5.
Good 5.
Thanks.
No good.
Oh, poor Dara.